Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hey there, nacho lovers. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious steak nachos, step by step. First, let's get organized. You'll need about 1 pound of your favorite steak, like flank or sirloin, and a 12-ounce bag of sturdy tortilla chips. Don't forget your favorite toppings. Slice your steak into thin, bite-sized pieces and chop any vegetables you plan to add, like onions or jalapenos. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's get that steak perfectly cooked. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil, like olive or canola, in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your thinly sliced steak to the pan. Cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until it's beautifully browned and cooked to your liking. Remember to season it generously with salt, pepper, and any other spices you enjoy, like chili powder or cumin, for extra flavor. With your steak cooked, it's time to assemble our masterpiece. Grab a large baking sheet and spread a 12-ounce bag of tortilla chips evenly across it. Next, layer your delicious, cooked steak over the chips, making sure to distribute it so every chip gets some meaty goodness. Then, generously sprinkle about 2 cups of your favorite shredded cheese, like cheddar or Monterey Jack, over everything. This is also a great time to add other hearty toppings, such as black beans or corn. Almost there. Now, place your loaded baking sheet into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Let them bake for about 5 to 8 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly, and the chips are slightly toasted. Once they are out of the oven, it's time for the grand finale. Garnish your hot, cheesy steak nachos with your favorite fresh toppings like a dollop of sour cream, a spoonful of salsa, creamy guacamole, and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Enjoy your incredible homemade steak nachos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.